Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphones with a focus on the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This phone has generated quite a buzz with its top-of-the-line features and cutting-edge AI capabilities. Let's break it down. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a stunning 6.8-inch display with a peak brightness of 2600 nits, making it incredibly easy to use outdoors even in bright sunlight. What sets it apart is the new anti-glare coating that significantly reduces reflections, providing a clear view in various lighting conditions. The flat screen design is a departure from the curved edges of its predecessor, offering a more user-friendly experience, although some users may find the corners a bit sharp. One of the standout features of the S24 Ultra is its AI capabilities. Moving on to battery and performance, the S24 Ultra comes equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring smooth operation and handling everything thrown at it with 12 GB of RAM. Battery life is acceptable for light usage but may require an afternoon recharge for power users. While 45W wired and 15W wireless charging are available, the absence of Qi 2 support is disappointing for MagSafe enthusiasts. In terms of software, the S24 Ultra runs on One UI 6.1, Samsung's take on Android 14. The device promises 7 years of OS upgrades, a significant proposition for long-term users. However, the software experience includes some proprietary apps and features that may not appeal to everyone. Now, let's dive into the AI features. The S24 Ultra presents an array of AI capabilities, but they feel somewhat scattered throughout the system. Live translation for phone calls is impressive, making it a valuable tool for multilingual conversations. The voice recording summaries are surprisingly accurate and give competitors a run for their money. Turning videos into slow motion is described as plain fun, though results may vary. The device's high price tag, however, is a point of contention, especially considering that some AI features will be available on the S23 series through a future software update. The S24 Ultra's camera system includes a 200 megapixels main camera, 3x and 5x telephoto lenses, an ultra-wide lens, and a 12MP selfie camera. The removal of the 10x lens is noted, and the new 5x lens is considered practical for more users. The camera system maintains Samsung's signature vibrant colors, with improvements to portrait mode and support for Ultra HDR. AI photo and video editing features are present, though some limitations are acknowledged, especially in more complex edits. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is undeniably a powerhouse with its massive screen, advanced camera system, and impressive AI features. However, the high price tag may not be entirely justified, especially when considering that some AI features will become available on the more affordable S23 series. The device excels in many areas but leaves room for improvement, particularly in battery life and overall value for the cost. And that wraps up our overview of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.